Cringe.
Okay, bye-bye.
Give me the crown!
Oops.
This is so nice. Mario's gonna win a crown.
Let's do this.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
You are dead. Dead. You are dead.
God damn it, this sucks ass!
Oh my god, I did it! I did it!
I win every time because I'm the best.
All right, let's try it again.
Spin! Whee! And I like to spin. Spin.
All right, that seems easy enough.
There's no way! There's no way, bro! I can't believe it, bro!
What? What? Oh, why? Why do you go in the wrong direction?
That's it, but I'm gone! I'm jumping out through the window!
This time I'll make it through though.
What is this game, dude? Are you serious? What are you doing? Holy
All right, enough messing around, huh? Let's play this game.
What? They're just standing there like zombies.
Oh! Do you know what that means?
I'm winning!
What's wrong with you? 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 What's wrong with you?
As you all know, I am the king!
Time to get serious.
Yes! No! Yes! No! Yes! No! Yes!
No.
No! Stop!
That was easy!
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Long live the king.
I like your cut.
No goddamn way.
That's quite
Che tutte le cottoratte non sempre racchete.
Because jumping is what I'm a...
Mine.
That's what I want! I want that! Oh, let's go! That's class! It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it.
Oh, mamma mia!
No!
Where do you think you're going?
Get in there, you
Mario! Huh?
in there, you bitch!
It's not me, it's the game, it's the character. I have the sun in my eyes. I fucking hate this.
Hello, Governor! Oh,
according to plan.
There are only 2 of us left.
And I'm not gonna lose again!
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Let's f***ing go! Stop it! If I can get the crown in my dreams, then I will stay in my dreams.
Wait a minute. I'm coming for that ants, boy.
Come here, boy! Come here! Come on, boy!
You will never get this. You will never get this.
You ain't going to. That's a huge.
トゥーユー風モックドミー。大。
Mario's gonna kill some bitches. That's so nice.
Oh my god! What happened? Focus!
Mario, focus. We won't let those f***ers take this crown.
Yeah! Oh my god! Yeah!
I did it!
Good job. Now collect 70 billion more crowns to top the leaderboard.
Read my bone-crunching lips.
You.